Most landing pages don't fail because of design, they fail because they're structured wrong. In this video, I'll break down how to build a modern landing page that actually converts based on how users make decisions today. Let's get started. So first off, you will need at least the name of your business and a logo. Once you have that, you're pretty much ready to start. Okay, so once you have your logo, you want to put it in GPT. But mine is just an idea and I want to tweak it a little bit. So I will do some changes and then we'll go from there. So once GPT gives you some ideas and what to do and what not to do, you just read basically what he has to say. So it will give us a couple concepts and then we can choose from there. I think concept 3 is pretty nice. Basically, we'll create an image based on that, but before, we will ask him to generate like 2 powerful color we could add to the logo. So once he gives us his ideas, we will just ask him to make a detailed prompt to generate the final logo. There you go, you just copy that. Create image. There you go. Oh, this is pretty good. I like the thin square right here. I think it looks good. Looks way better than I thought. Alright, so when you got your logo, you just download it. And then from there, we can make our website. So let's make a big prompt for lovable right now. So I want to create a landing page that's highly convertible. I want to make it professional, minimal, So once you send the prompt, again, you just take the one that GPT gives you and put it in Lovable right here. So you just copy it in Lovable. It will ask you questions just to make sure he does the right thing. So it wants a logo. Book a call will be a Calendly link. I will keep this as no for now. So you want the logo, so you just upload it right here and you send it. So it will start building based on the logo, colors and stuff like that. Guys, stay until the end because I will share with you something that's so powerful you don't want to miss out. The structure looks pretty good so far. Alright, so once it looks good and you think this is what you want, you just press implement the plan. And Lovable will start building your website. It will take a couple minutes. Alright, so it's almost done. So this is what it looks like. But there's a couple things I don't like, so I will need to change them. The logo here is way too small. And I need to maybe put a transparent background. What color is it? I think it's the same color as the background, so I might be good. You just ask GPT all the prompts basically. So later on, you will add your Calendly link on CTAs. You just basically ask GPT, I want to add this URL to this button or all the buttons. and then you put it in the text here again. But I don't have my active link right now for this client, so I'll just leave it as it is. See, I didn't saw that, but the logo in the footer is way too small too. So I'll ask GPT to generate one. So this is highly converting because this is really minimal. You don't have much to click. You just basically scroll, and everything is structured psychologically to make you buy. So there are problems, and then you come with your solution and how it works and why does it matters for them, who this is for, and then boom, ready to plug the leaks. Tao, book a call. So this is what you want when you're first starting, and you want something that will convert. You kind of want the fancy website like later on when you have your clients already. Because if they have too much things going around on the website, they will get tempted to just click on it, and then they will maybe go to IG after, scroll, you will lose them. So you want to keep it minimal. So the main focus is on the text and the problem you're solving, and then you go for the CTA. It says the logo header got changed, but it's still really small. So I will just say adjust both logos, footer and header, the same size. Way too small still, so I need to adjust it. But overall, this is really good. I just like how simple it is with the colors. It's just straight to the point, just like we want. Just refresh to see the result. It's still not good. AI tools are not perfect, so you just gotta talk to them and make sure you describe what you want properly, because it doesn't always work like you want. It's still not good, damn. Okay, so once your website is fully done and you're happy with it, you just need to get a domain name. What I use is Namecheap. and then you choose your domain, you search it, you buy it. I won't buy this one right now, but there's lots of choices, and then you create an account, you buy it, and then you go here in Lovable, you publish your project first, and then you add custom domain, you click here, connect domain, you put your domain name, whatever it is, you connect the domain, and then from there you go in Namecheap, and then you go in your DNS record, you add the record that you will receive, and you add it to your Namecheap account. You can also design your website using the design icon right here. Let's say you want to change something in the header. You just press design, visual edits, and then you go here, you change it, then you press this one, and then this one. But mine is perfect, so I won't do nothing. Back to chat here. So once you're finished, your logo is all set. You publish your project, you put your domain. You can also use GoDaddy to buy your domain. And then I recommend you will use Workspace, Google Workspace, to create a professional email for your business. Something that will look like something like that. And also I recommend you use Drive to put all your files together. So what I wanted to show you guys, it's how to create a system prompt for your business. So what is a system prompt? We will know right now. So basically it will be like the doc that is the brain of your business. So every time you talk to GPT, Claude, Grok, Perplexity, all these tools, you just put in the PDF into the project section. So first we will create it. Why this matters. Basically, it will just be way more accurate with his answers and tasks, because it will know what you're talking about, which is your business, how it's structured, what's the colors, what's the vision, and all that. So create a full system prompt PDF for my Airflow system. And lock this in. GPT has already a memory, but you want it as a file so it will never forget. It's locked. Let's go. So you will download this PDF and then put it right here in your project, which is your business. Let's see what it looks like. So this is nothing fancy, obviously, but everything is there. The role, identity, core mission, primary principles, voice and tone, language rules, positioning rules, design and brand rules, website and UX rules, sell and funnel rules, client fit, system behavior, all that, okay? So once you have this, you download it, you go in your project, you put this right here. This is the system prompt. Lock this in. There you go. So right now you have your brain thinking like your business, as long as you're in the project, right? So this is pretty much it for today's video. I will catch you on another one. Make sure to follow me, like, and comment. I will post multiple videos. There's a lot of content coming on how to create your AI automation agency from scratch. So make sure you stay tuned. Peace out.